Hello guys, welcome back to VK Tutorials Educational channel. If you visited the channel for the first time, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. In the last class of aptitude, we have discussed and learnt about percentage basics. In this class, we'll level up a bit by solving different types of problems using tricks and shortcuts. The first question is 30% of 3-digit number is 190.8. What will be 125% of that number? So this question was given in bank clerk exam. So let's solve by using our tricks. Here 30% of 3-digit number. Let that 3-digit number be some x. 30% of x is equals to 190.8. 30% should be divided into 10% plus 10% plus 10% of x, which should give us 190.8. Why should I split into 3 tens? Is because we know that 10% of any number should be divided by 10. That is x. 10% of x will give x by 10, and 10% of x again will be x by 10. 10% of x again x by 10, which is equals to 190.8. That is 3x by 10 is equals to 1908 by 10. So x should be 1908 by 10 into 10 by 3. 10 gets cancelled. 3 ones are 3, 636 are. So therefore our 3-digit number is 636. Now you have to find 125% of 636. So 125% can be written as 100% plus 25% of 636. What is 100% of 636? 636, obviously it should be the whole number. 25%, 636 should be divided by 4. Hence you'll get 1s, 5s and 9s. So 636 plus 159 will give us 795. So this is our answer. The second question is 48% of first number is 60% of second number. So what is the ratio of first number to the second number? These kind of questions can be solved in single step, and that is what they've asked us to do is ratio of first number by second number. The answer will be second number's percentage by first number's percentage. What is second number's percentage? 60, and first number's percentage is 48. So 6 tens are, 6 8s are, 2 5s are, 2 4s are. Hence the ratio is 5:4. This is our ratio. Option C. Third question is there are 1240 employees in an organization, out of which 25% are promoted. How many such employees are promoted? This question was given in bank clerk 2009 exam. Total employees were 1240, out of which only 25% are promoted. So 25% of any number, here that number is 1240. So 1240 should be divided by 4, that is 3s, 1s, 0s. Therefore our answer is option C, 310. So the fourth question is, if A salary is 25% higher than B salary, then how much percent is B salary lower than A salary? This question was asked in RRB clerk exam 2017. So let's solve. Here from the question we understand that A salary is 25% higher than B salary. We have to find how much percent is B salary lower to A salary. These type of problems can be solved by using a single formula, and that is A by 100 plus A into 100% is the percent which you are looking for, this percent. So this is our answer. So what is A here? A is a 25% which is given in the question. From that, so we will get 25 by 100 plus 25 into 100. The answer is 25 by 125 into 100. 25 ones are, 25 5s are, 5 ones are, 5 20s are. Therefore we get 20%. Our option is B. Suppose if the question is changed and asked in this way, instead of asking higher, they say lesser, and how much percent is B salary lower, they'll ask more. then the formula will be A by 100 minus A into 100%. So the required answer is 25 by 100 minus 25 into 100. That is 25 by 75 into 100. That is 25 ones are 25 threes are 3 ones are 3, 33.33%. So how to remember when to use which formula is, if they are asking us to do higher, then you do plus, and if they are asking us to do lesser, we do minus. So these kind of questions should be solved by using these formulas. Fifth question, A salary is 20% less than B salary, then B salary is more than A salary by. So let's solve. From the question we understand that A salary is lesser than B salary by 20%. And we have to find how much more is B salary than A salary. So using the formula here, because it is less, we'll use 20 by 100 minus 20 into 100. This is our required percentage. Hence 20 by 80 into 100. 1s are, 4s are, 4s are, 25s are. Therefore our answer is 25%. Option C. The formula used here is A by 100 minus A into 100. Why did I use minus? Because they have told that A salary is lesser. If it was higher, I would have used plus. Sixth question is, in an examination, the marks obtained by Shyam is 40% less than the marks obtained by Kamal. Then marks obtained by Kamal is how much percent more than the marks obtained by Shyam? This question was given in bank clerk exam 2009. So let's solve. From the question we understand that Shyam's marks are 40% lesser than Kamal's. What you have to find is how much percent is Kamal's marks more than Shyam's. This question is similar to the previous two questions. So we'll use the formula and get the answer. Here what you have to see is our A is 40% and they have said lesser. So I'll use A by 100 minus A into 100. So this will give us our required percentage, that is how much percent more. So 40 by 100 minus 40 into 100%, that is 40 by 60 into 100, 22s are, 23s are, so you'll get 200 by 3%, that is divided, so you'll get 6 are, 6 are. There's no need of doing the whole mixed fraction thing, just compare the option and your answer. Here you got 66, so 55, 44, 33, 66. Your answer is D. The answer is D, 66, 2 by 3%. Seventh question, a box has 100 blue balls, 50 red balls and 50 black balls. 25% of blue balls and 50% of red balls are taken away. Then percentage of the black balls at present is. This question was given in SSC CGL 2013. So let's solve. From the question we understand that the box has 100 blue, 50 red and 50 black. So total number of balls are 200 balls. Then what happens is 25% of blue balls are taken out. So 25% of blue balls, 25% of 100 is 25 balls. And what is taken out? 50% of red balls is also taken out. So 50% of 50 is again 25 balls. So total number of taken away balls are, taken away means which are removed, that is 50 balls. So if you take away 50 balls from 200 balls, you'll get 150 balls. Now you have to find the percentage of black balls. So the black balls in the beginning were 50, now also they are 50. Now the total balls is 150, which should be multiplied by 100. So 50 ones are 50, 3s are 3 ones are 3, 33, 1 by 3% is our answer. How do you get that? You don't need to do the whole mixed fraction again. Just divide 100 by 3, you'll get 3, 3. So compare the answer with the option, you'll get your answer. And the answer is B. Eighth question is, in an office, 40% of the staff is female. 40% of the female and 60% of the male voted for me. The percentage of the votes I got was, so let's solve. From the question we understand that there is an office and the office has the staff. Let us assume that the staff is about 100 people, out of which 40% are female. So 40% of 100 is 40. So we understand there are 40 females. Obviously, how many males will be? Males will be 60, because total 100 and out of 100, 40 females. So obviously, males will be 60. Next, what I understand from the question is 40% of the female and 60% of the male voted for me. That means the votes I got is 40% of 40 plus is 60% of 60. What is 40% of 40? No need of doing the conventional method. We know the tricks, right? So 10% of 40 is 4. How many times? Plus 4, 4, 4, plus 4. Okay. So 60%, again 50% is 60 by 2, that is 30, and 10% is 6. So your answer is 16 and 36. If you add them, your answer is 52%. Therefore, the option is D. Ninth question is, in a class of 40 students and 5 teachers, each student got sweets that are 15% of the total number of students, and each teacher got sweets that are 20% of the total number of students. How many sweets were there is what the question is asking us to do. So this question was given in bank clerk exam 2008. So let's solve. So from the question we understand that there were 40 students on total and 5 teachers. Each student got 15% of 40. So what is 15% of 40? 10% of 40 is 4, 5% will be 2. So therefore total number of sweets each student got is 6. Total sweets that all the students would have got is 40 into 6, that is 240. Now coming to teachers, each teacher got 20%. What is 20% of 40? It is 8. So each teacher got 8. Total sweets that the teacher will get is 5 into 8, that is 40. So student must have got 240 and teachers has 40. This two, if you add, you get your answer. That answer is 280. Tenth question. A line of length 1.5 meter was measured as 1.55 meter by mistake. What will be the value of error percent? This question was given in SSC CGL mains paper 2016. So let's solve. So from the question we understand that there is a line of length 1.5 meter which was measured as 1.55 meter by mistake. So here our 1.5 meter is the original value. This kind of percentage error or value of error percent can be solved by using a formula, and the formula is something like this. It's increased value or decreased value by original value into 100. Here the original value is of the line of length 1.5 meter, and when you're talking about increased value is the value which has increased, that you will get by the measurement is 1.55 and the original value is 1.5. So when you subtract 1.55 by 1.5, you will get 0.05 meter as the increased value. When you substitute this increased value and original value into the formula, we'll get something like this. It is 0.05 by 1.5 into 100. So by doing this, we'll get our percentage error. We know 0.05 multiplied by 100 will give us 5. 5 by 1.5. This becomes 5 into 10 by 15. 5 ones are 5 threes are. 10 by 3 is 3.33%. Therefore, our answer is B. How did I get this step is 1.5 can be written as 15 by 10. By doing the reciprocal, you'll get this step. So, this is how we solve the sum. Always remember. Thanks for watching the video. Please do subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. You can follow our Facebook page at vktutorials.in. Also our Instagram page vktutorials_. Log on to our website www.vktutorialacademy.com.